our channel. We are gonna just basically be playing Fortnite the pit the whole time.
No, stop.
Guys, if
Not
you could,
yet.
oh, when we're not actually, we're just gonna be basically killing each other. This is unbeatable, and I am. My name is Lolo. My name is Levels, cause I got. My name is Levels.
Wait, what?
And
You didn't even shoot me.
my name is Unvincible. And then his name is Unblade. I mean Unbeatable. Yeah, his name is Unbeatable. What the heck?
Yeah.
Some music just started playing in my background. It's like bum bum.
Maybe that was me.
Hello! You twist, kid!
Classic 1v1. Classic 1v1. Ready?
Classic 1v1. I am gonna start building it. I'll be right back, guys. I'm starting to 1v1! Hey, I know that chick! I'm about to do it myself. Oh, Ronnie got it first!
1v1, let's go.
Oh, I already have 8 kills in this round. How much kills do you have this round?
1.
Ooh!
I wanna play Rocket vs. Cars. Boy, what the?
I'm unvincible! And I just died! You know I'm unvincible.
Yeah, you're unvincible.
Hey, yo, you're unbeatable? I already have 8 kills. Hey, no going on the wall.
Chill.
Never!
Hacker.
I am not a hacker.
Hacker, he killed me when I have aimbot. Oh, crap. Then I got aimbot.
Well, PS5 controls, I'm pretty sure they have built-in aimbot.
No, it does, actually. Hey, I thought that was a no beaming from the side.
Hey, yo, I never said that. You said that.
you did.
And
You
I am the owner of this channel, so, like, I get to make the rules. Hi, Mommy. Hey! That was some epic headshot right there.
Hey, no, how about trick shot? No, let's leave the game and do a trick shot match.
No. One more. I want to get to 7 more kills, guys.
I'm doing trick shot.
We'll see you when we got the trick shot match. 6,